Hi, Mom.
Hey, you're her mom?
Yes.
You like them?
I don't understand why they're so long.
What?
Those are long.
They're not your nails?
But they're long. I'm paying for them. They're long.
Okay, but they're not your nails.
I'm not going to pay for those
Why not?
because those are too long.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
I've gotten them longer.
Well, I didn't pay for those ones.
Yes, you
That's
did.
exactly why. No, I
Wait,
didn't.
but who is paying for the nails? Is it her or you?
I'm paying for them, but I'm not going to pay for them if they're that long.
But she wanted this long.
Yeah.
Well, then they have to be shorter. If
You
I want to
need
pay
to
for
just
them.
shut up. Don't listen to her.
Yeah, but she's paying,
Yes,
right?
yeah, she don't pay them. She don't pay them.
Are you guys sure?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to continue if she's not going to pay
No,
me.
no, no, she'll pay. She'll pay.
I'm telling you, I'm not paying for
No,
those.
she'll pay. She'll know what she's talking about.
You know what? I need to take your money right now because I can't really start because I'm not sure you guys are going to pay me. You guys are arguing and all that.
I'm not paying for those.
Why not? They're not even that long.
Those are long.
No, they're not.
Yes,
I
they
literally
are.
got them longer.
Nope.
My last set was literally longer than these.
Nope.
And you paid for them.
Nope.
So, Mom, it's going to be $100 for her length.
Yeah, it's gonna be $100.
It's gonna be $100, Mom.
You
Oh, I
better-
guess we're just sitting here then.
Bitch, why you